streets back. All right. Hey guys, welcome back to Resale Dojo, where we grow our reselling businesses together. It's been a while since I put out a video. I think it's been like 3 weeks, maybe almost 4 weeks since my last video. And I've actually been really behind on putting out YouTube videos on reselling content for the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. So I wanted to give you guys some insight on what is happening with my business right now and why that is causing me not to put out any videos, or at least not the amount of videos that I used to put out. Now let me go into why I haven't been putting out much content. Starting at the end of January, my wife actually quit her full-time job. She had been in that job for about 7 years, I think a little over 7 years, and it was just time for her to move on. She's been in that industry for a while, and she was just not having it, and she wanted to go strike it out on her own. And so eventually she's going to be starting up her own consulting company and doing some other side gigs and stuff like that. But in the meantime, while she is off and just regenerating her energy, she's actually going to be helping me with my reselling business, because over the past 3 years, I've got my reselling business up to the point where it is at least my full-time income at my previous job, which was a really nice job. And I know that we could take it with 2 people to enough of a level where we are making up most of her income probably in this year, and getting us, at least making us feel like we have enough and we don't need to rely on another company or consulting gigs or anything like that. I feel like we could take my business model and just, supercharge it to be able to grow it to levels that will cover her salary and more. So if you've been following me for a while, you know my goal for last year was to hit $100,000 on eBay. I actually did hit that. I hit, I think, $108,000 on eBay for the year. Now for 2022, my main goal stated in stone is for us to get $150,000 on eBay. That will give us plenty of money, just as us being able to get by and pay our bills and save money for my son's college and save money for our retirement. That'll give us plenty of money for all that type of stuff. Now I do have some stretch goals out there, but those I am keeping to myself, because those are just some internalized goals that I want to be able to hit, because I think I could hit this 150,000 with my wife helping me. Well, I definitely could hit this 150,000 with her helping me as well. But I know I have other goals that we could reach if we hit some milestones throughout the year. And the main thing that I've been focusing on for the last month or so is finding enough inventory and listing enough inventory. Now with my wife being home and helping me for the last few weeks, she's actually taken upon herself to help go and tackle that death pile that I had showed you guys a few months back, probably like 6 months back. And the main thing that she's hitting right now is my clothing death pile. And we had gone through it all maybe 2 months ago, and well, mainly she went through all of it, and she sorted it out by like shoes and clothes and all that type of stuff. And she's just going a box at a time, learning the clothing category, learning how to do pictures, learning how to make listings, and learning how to comp prices out there. And the good thing for her is a lot of this clothing is really good, and it's helping us bring our on-hand inventory up at a really rapid pace. At the beginning of this year, I was under 1,000 listings on eBay. I think I was probably hovering over 30,000, 32,000 of on-hand inventory. It was getting pretty light because Q4 really wiped me out of a lot of my fast-moving items. And with her helping the business last couple of weeks, we got the on-hand inventory up to about 1,200 units, and we're over $40,000 of inventory as well. And as she's learning the eBay business, we are doing some dividing and conquering. She has no want to go out and source. She does not want to be going from store to store, going to garage sales, estate sales, any of that type of stuff. She does not want to do any type of sourcing at all. She'd much rather just know she has a set schedule where she's just going to be doing, from hour 1 to hour 2, removing stickers, removing tags, cleaning off anything with like Clorox, just making everything wipe down. From hour 2 to hour 3, she wants to know that she's just taking photographs. And then for the rest of the day, she wants to know that she is just getting drafts ready for me to review. And this is really helping me out because I would usually go out and source most of the day. I would then come home, I would be cleaning off stickers, taking photographs, and then listing that night. And now it's saving me so much more time where I'm able to go and source even more, find more product, and we're getting a lot more listings up because she's hitting all the clothing death pile and she's getting all the photographs ready for me when it comes to hard goods, mainly DVDs, video games, electronics, and she's getting all that stuff ready for me. So when I get home, all I have to do is review her drafts, approve those, and then for any of the hard good stuff, I'm just churning out all those listings when I get home. And eventually I think she's going to take over shipping as well, but I'm holding on to shipping right now. That is just something I like to do. And also when it comes to like video games, DVDs, I always like to double check the discs before they go out and make sure if they need to be cleaned once again, I get a nice cleaning in on them. I haven't taught her that part of the business yet. So that's just a quick update on the business. I don't know if she's going to join me on any videos or not. Right now, she doesn't care to do it at all. But maybe over time, we will bring her onto the channel just for her to go over maybe what she has learned, what she has seen, what things I've done wrong, because there's always a lot of things I've done wrong. The best thing that's happened so far is by having her on here, she is very process-oriented. She's very organized and very on it when it comes to getting things done. And that has been the best part because for me and for a lot of resellers, we like to just do things whenever we like to do it. And by having someone that's there and another like accountability partner in your business, it really helps you focus on, okay, for this day, I need to be out sourcing for 7 hours and finding X product and then reviewing all the drafts, getting everything listed, all that type of stuff. And we're able to see how the other person in your business is doing and how much they're being productive, getting stuff done. And it's really helped both of us be able to, just push it and get stuff listed and get stuff done. So that's my quick little update of where we're at right now. We're just really trying to get the inventory up because I want to be averaging at least $411 in sales per day. That's going to get me to the 150K for the year. And we're on a good pace for it right now. We really want to just keep churning inventory until mid-March because that's when tax money is going to start coming back. Usually a lot of people do their taxes at the last minute. So from that, March through May, you're going to start seeing that tax season money roll in, and then it's going to drop down again for summer slowdown and then pick up for Q4. So we want to make sure we hit the tax return money and then just keep churning and getting inventory into our system through summer slowdown and be ready for a huge Q4 with a ton of inventory on hand. Thank you guys for joining me for this update video. If you like this, make sure you leave a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. Maybe check out one of the 2 other recommended videos over there. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.